Hi guys, this right here is our new Kenmore microwave. We bought it in late March and it didn't get put in here until this mid-April. As you can see, it's kind of in good condition. I'll give you a closer look at it. And I will open it for you too. It's got the button on here. You can see there's a view inside there too. It's pretty much a little bit just like the other microwave I had. But anyway, yeah. And it's dated November of 2014. So, and over here, I'll turn the light on. You can see it's got the cook time and power level. If you want to set it for like a specific amount of seconds, like 15 or whatever, or 20, press cook time and that, and you press start. Well, I'm not going to do that though, since there's nothing in there right now. But yeah, you press start and then when it goes off and all that, yeah. Also, these right here you could use for like, this is like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, same thing with the others. But those few, they don't do anything, but those, you can. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it for you. I'm going to heat it up. Set it for 10 seconds. Alright, so anyway, yep. Here's a closer look at it. Yep. And here's the back of it too. So anyway, yep. And there's the clock right here and all that stuff. There's probably nothing else much to say about it, so anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video.